if you have been posting consistently on this YouTube and doing what all the YouTube gurus tell you and you're still not getting views, this video is for you, because today I'm going to show you the bad YouTube advice that sounds correct but is secretly killing your small channel.
Oh my God!
And the crazy part is I followed this myself and it wasted months of my time and trial. So if you're a small YouTuber and you don't want to stay stuck, watch this very video to the end. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jira, and on this channel I help new and small YouTubers grow on this channel. So let's dive into the main video. The very first advice YouTube gurus or people out there tell you on this YouTube space is just be consistent and YouTube will push your video. Now let me ask you, how many times have you heard this? Just keep uploading, stay consistent, and YouTube will reward you. Guys, I believe this too. At the time I was starting my YouTube as at 2024, I was uploading, tired, frustrated, and nothing changed. But the simple truth I want you to know today is that YouTube doesn't reward consistency. YouTube doesn't reward you uploading every single hours. The only thing YouTube rewards is reaction. That is the clicks, the watch time, and people staying longer on your video and on your channel. I remember I once uploaded consistently for weeks when I opened this particular channel, and I left YouTube for about 4 months or 5 months. I didn't post again. Then I come back and started posting. One video I was posting randomly did better than the rest. Guess what? That one video brought more growth than all the others I've uploaded combined. Now the key lesson is one good video can beat 10 consistent bad one. So what you need to understand is you need to be consistent with strategy. Stop uploading every single day because it might hurt your channel without you not knowing. Now the second advice YouTube gurus, big creators are telling us, we the small creators, is focus on tags and SEO first. This one trapped me for a long time. I have been on this YouTube. I was writing long titles, perfect description, and still getting no views. But my videos were good. But the whole truth is very, very simple. I came to understand that tags doesn't matter if nobody clicks your video, and nobody clicks if your title and thumbnails don't stop the scroll. Talk directly to your viewers. Be honest. Let me ask you, when you are scrolling on YouTube, do you check tags before you click on the video? No. You click what interests you. You click because the title and the thumbnail makes you to stop scrolling. The key lesson in all of this is your click-through rate is the first, the retention is the second, and your SEO, which is search engine optimization, is the last. So you need to focus on those things. Now the third advice is upload every day to grow faster. I know you have heard that before. This advice sounds seriously. People we are talking at that time, everybody was serious about uploading every day to grow fast. Upload every single day. Guys, even me, I follow the advert because I don't want to carry last. I was uploading, but it breaks small channels. Why does it even hurt small creators? Listen, daily uploads usually means weaker ideas, rushed video, no time to improve. Yes, you will not have time to improve on your video. You will not have time to look at the great ideas, the great videos that might go viral, because you are in a rush trying to upload videos, stay consistent. But let me tell you, consistency doesn't pay. If you are consistent and you are not using it strategically, you are not going to grow on YouTube. I remember when I slowed down on my other channel and focused on one strong videos, my views improved more than when I was uploading back to back every single day. So the key lesson in all of this thing I am saying is you don't need more upload. All you need is a better ideas, a better video ideas that can make people to, that can change everything on your channel. Just like this very video of mine about YouTube monetization, I never knew that that video will actually blow up on my channel right now. All I know is that the video will do well, but I never expect that virality would extend. I told to myself that as long as I open this new channel, Lenwidera, will not be like my other channel. I need to be consistent. I need to be smart this time around so that this particular channel can actually go viral. So all you need is a better idea and strategy. Then the fourth bad advice is make your videos longer for watch time. This advice sounds logical, but it is dangerous. I know you might be asking how. Now, this is the explanation. A long, boring video can hurt your channel, but once you upload a short, interesting videos can actually help you grow faster. Now, let me ask you a question. Would you rather watch a 20 minutes video that feels slow or a 6 minutes video that keeps you engaged till the very end? You see, you watch the 6 short minutes video that glued you. So the main purpose is your retention matters more than the length of the video. If you have a lengthy video but it is not interesting, people are not going to watch till the end or even watch half of the video. So your retention matters. Learn to hook them, learn to retain your audience so that they will watch your video and find that insightful tips that you are sharing on your video than uploading long boring video. Then the fifth advice is the algorithm is the problem. Yes, this one is the most dangerous advice of them all. Blaming the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm feels good when you are blaming the algorithm, but it keeps you stuck. Yes, the truth is that the algorithm follows people. Yes, every time you upload on video, the YouTube algorithm track your videos to your channel. So if people do not click or stay on your channel, YouTube will not recommend or push your videos. So stop listening to bad advice and do the necessary things. Most creators on this YouTube don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they follow bad advice. So if this video helped you think something differently, subscribe to the channel because I break YouTube growth tips in simple English without fake hype, and I explain it in a layman understanding. And comments below which advice have you been following all this way around. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.